This class we will talk about the same chapter, affixation. Suffixes. Suffixes are the set of letters that are added to the end of words to change their meanings or to change their grammatical functions. General rules. In most cases, when a suffix begins with a consonant, the root word does not change. Examples: kind, kindly, abrupt, abruptly. In words that end in a consonant and y, the y changes to I and the suffix is added. Examples: plenty, plentiful, apply, applied. When adding a suffix beginning with a vowel to single syllable words with one vowel and ending in a consonant, the last consonant is doubled. Examples: cut, cutter, ship, shipped. When adding a suffix beginning with a vowel to words ending in e, drop the e and add the suffix. Examples: note, notable, fate, fatal. When we add the suffixes able and ous to words ending in ce and ge, the silent e remains. Examples: notice, noticeable, manage, manageable. With words ending in y preceded by a vowel, immediately a consonant or a vowel suffix. Examples: before it the root form does not, with words ending in y preceded by a vowel, immediately before it the root form does not change when we add a consonant or a vowel suffix. Examples: key, keyed, pray, prayer. Suffixes used to make nouns. When we add certain suffixes to nouns, verbs and adjectives, we get new nouns. First one, er or or. When we add er or or to certain verbs that suggest action, we get the names of profession. Examples: act, actor, work, worker, sing, singer. When we add er or or to verbs, we also get the names of devices or tools. Examples: cut, cutter, project, projector. When we add tion to certain verbs, we get nouns. Examples: occupy, occupation, communicate, communication. Now, when we add ist or ist to certain nouns, we get the names of persons who practice an ideology. When we add ism to those nouns, we name an ideology or an activity. Examples: social, socialist, socialism, terror, terrorist, terrorism. We also use ist for people who play musical instruments such as guitar, guitarist, piano, pianist. Al, such as we add al to certain verbs or nouns to get more nouns. Examples: refuse, refusal, withdraw, withdrawal. Ness, we use ness to make abstract nouns from adjectives such as kind, kindness, happy, happiness. Now ment, we often add ment to the end of certain verbs to change them to nouns such as arrange, arrangement, develop, development. Ship, to make abstract nouns from certain nouns, we add ship. Examples: friend, friendship, relation, relationship. Ty, we make abstract nouns from adjectives by adding ty. Examples: able, ability, cruel, cruelty, loyal, loyalty. Exercise B. Add suffixes to the following words to make nouns, only answers are given. First one, tradition. Second one, ability. Third one, violinist. Fourth one, membership. Fifth one, sadness. Sixth one, enjoyment. Seventh one, weakness. Eighth one, honesty. Ninth one, driver. 10th one, supervisor. 11th one, excitement. And 12th one, arrival. Suffixes used to make adjectives. We add certain suffixes to nouns and verbs to form adjectives. First one, OUS. Furry, furious. Fury, furious. Industry, industrious. Now, ABLE or IBLE, such as. This suffix suggests that something is possible. When added to verbs, these often make adjectives such as like, likeable, count, countable. IVE, support, supportive, act, active. FUL, care, careful, use, useful. AL, mother, maternal, father, paternal. Now, IC or ICAL, class, classic or classical, and ISH, style, stylish, child, childish. Last one, LESS, care, careless, and count, countless. For today, it is over.